So today we are here for our second video regarding the user stories, and it's the very first iteration that we're gonna work on. Although we are done with the user roles previously, so from 29 September, this coming Monday, to 12 October, bi-weekly, 2 weeks, we are having our very first iteration, and we all have to commit to all the user stories that we will work on.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shall we go?
Yeah.
Okay. So previously, just a glimpse what we have to do. An app, quiz app, general knowledge app, and little bit touch up of the UI, like not exactly cartoon, but like making more interesting about that. So that's the basic thing. So app name is Play and Run. You know that?
Yeah.
And so was very first one. I need a splash screen. I need the UI guy for that to be work on. The splash screen. So what basically this screen will do, you start the app, there is no question in the front. It will like show you loading content or introducing our group, like
Like
something
introducing
like
the
that.
game, like, right?
Exactly, just like when we started.
Basic information like a home page.
Oh yeah.
Just like game loft games, when you start them, first of all, this is a game loft.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
It's
okay.
the splash screen. So we gotta work on that one, splash screen. This is the very first one. Generally, the very first one that we have to work on. I still have not distributed this to the developers yet,
Yep.
but we will right now. Second, I'm just giving you short ones. Like we will go into detail with the specific developers.
No problem.
Second one.
The we can like select it what kind of average or medium level. Asking about level. The second screen will be
Was that in there?
the levels.
Yes.
So
Correct.
is like
Easy, intermediate,
Levels.
yeah.
Easy,
intermediate.
medium, and easy, medium, and what was that? Hard. So three of them.
Wasn't it adept?
No. We are
Okay.
figuring it. We are figuring
Alright,
it. We're
alright.
figuring everything about that. So so in this one we will create a activity asking the user about their levels.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Second one. Okay. Okay, that's pretty much. I need to modify this one. The third one I want.
So when we have decided to remove the age,
Yeah, we
So
done with
it's
the
pretty
age.
much
We're done with the age.
only.
the label.
It's all. Yeah, it's all focused on only one age group.
Yeah.
Yes.
Basically, we're just taking it out of the criteria for now.
Exactly. So the third one will be the menu. I need the menu before we go ahead.
Okay.
Okay.
So what menu will include? This is kind of tricky. I am expecting a little more, but literally I want this to be worked on. Like this could be really very good for us. What menu will include preferences. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Second menu will include email. That is actually contact company or something, our team, whatever it be. Contact.
Or how about like we will just include about us?
Yeah, we're still coming on that.
Okay.
That should be there in the
And
last.
what is
when
the
all
meaning by
things are categorized.
preferences? I couldn't.
Preferences maybe like sounds is off. We want the sounds off. We
Wow.
want the
More
sounds
kind of,
on.
setting.
Like kind of
Yeah,
those
like
settings for the app
Like the
settings.
exit button or start screen, like that. Start game.
Well,
Is it-
preference
no.
basically generally includes for that
App
specific
settings,
app. Yeah, for that particular app, what do you want? Like sounds to be off, to be on, or
Oh,
something like
okay.
that. Preferences email. Next, about us. Team us. Help.
Basic explanation of how to play.
Yeah.
The game,
Exactly.
Yeah.
Right.
Exactly. Help. The last one is it's the difficult one, I guess.
It's
Extracting logs. not impossible, but possible. So this part, I want you to make a note for this one, but we will not definitely cover this huge chunk of load for the very first iteration. I'm just telling you what we have to do in the menu.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now, so we're not gonna do these 5 in one iteration for sure. I will just sort this out right now. For the splash screen, we have 3 developers, 1, 2, and 3. So who would like to
I'll do.
splash screens?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's gonna go with Ratchet. Okay. Levels for sure. Yeah. The seconds. Who wants to go?
I will.
Sure.
Yeah.
Buddy. Okay. So the menu ones. The menu will be opened after we choose this.
Yeah.
Okay.
No menu. No menu. Wait a second. Sorry. My bad. Menu, menu, menu. Of course, if we need that voice to be turned off, we need that. Yeah, it can be
I think
invisible.
it should be from levels. Menu should be operated after the activity that contains level, because splash screen is just like
Yeah.
our logo
Yeah.
and
Okay, so let's just skip this one as well. Let's with the questions we can do the menus, or with the levels. I guess
Yeah.
it's okay with that. So with levels, we will go with the menu tab. Okay. So you wanna take that? You're the
yeah,
last one.
I'll take that.
So here is with, sorry bro, I forgot your name.
Janam.
Janam.
Janam, yeah. Janam. We're not gonna conclude all this. In the very first iteration, what we're gonna include is preferences. No, I mean about us and help.
Oh.
These two, not in this one. It will be in the second
the
one.
next
I'm just
iteration.
letting you know what we have to include in this.
Oh
which
yeah,
is in the second
just for
one.
extensibility, right?
Well, we will do this.
Yeah.
We will do this. So you guys can make a note on your notes about this whole stuff. Much concentrated detail. It will be on the Trello, which I will assign to you. I hope all of you have account in there. You
Yeah.
have.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
have.
Yeah.
You all have.
Yeah.
Great. So I will update 1, 2, and 3 part of this, 3 of them,
Okay.
and assign it to you. Now the tester part. So for the testing part, it comes actually later on. So let's focus on that later. For the UI, I need your help this weekend,
Okay.
so that we can exactly create the UI stuff, and then we can give them in the PDF form or the Word form. They can work according to that.
Okay.
Okay. Your tools I guess are ready. So
Yeah.
we just have to start with this one. Any other suggestions you want to put into this strategy?
Like, what is extracting log?
So extracting log is like for any specific app. Sometimes there are some bugs or something that is hard to find out from the client,
Okay.
and at that time, if they want like they want to report something, they send you the logs as well.
Oh.
But it is
Like, okay, I have some issue with this. My app always crashes, and they call us like, hey, your app is crashing. So we don't know anything. Like, we don't know what is happening. Well, he's saying I'm going there and there and then and boom, crashes. I don't know. It's working for me. Can you just send the logs exactly what is happening at the background?
Yeah.
So we can say, oh yeah, image issue, the device issue, whatever issue. So for that we need extra
So from
logs.
this, every time the user starts a splash screen, starts our app, we are going to log those save those app till it ends.
No, it's actually the thing is, there are two. So is this clear?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
yeah.
So I'm
Yeah.
just telling you for the logs one. What is there? There is a threshold now. Threshold. We have to set it to some level like 1 to 7, and there is a log. What do you call that? No, like size or something. Size is not the right word, but something like that. It is in bytes, something like that. So it will cover 10 MB of logs. My question is, my thing is, whenever the app starts, at the background, everything is getting generated.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
So what we have to do, we have to extract that and attach to the email,
Yeah.
and then send to the contact.